Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, we'll be doing the blocky box from Hack the Box. So the IP address is 10.10.10.37, and I have already done the nmap scan. And first, these ports are open, and then I got the filtered when I'm running the default scan. So if you get these ports as filtered, you try to reset the box. So UDP ports are closed. Now you can see the 21 FTP server is open. I tried using the anonymous credentials but did not work, and you can see SSH port is open and port 8 is open. So it's running the WordPress 4.8 and title says blocky craft. So let's run the GoBuster scan on this 10.10.10.37 and world list is big. So it's running the WP scan, sorry WordPress. You can go to WP admin and you can search for XML rpc.php. So seems to be enabled. So try admin. So at this point it says invalid username. So that means admin is not a user. We need to search for another usernames, and we can use WP scan. (37) and E for enumerate option. I want to enumerate plugin, themes, users. So I want to enumerate all three plugins, themes and users. So this gonna take a while. I'm going to stop this. I have already run the GoBuster scan, and you can see there is a PHP myadmin and plugins, wiki, etc. So the two directories which I have interest is plugins and PHP myadmin. So let's go PHP myadmin and plugins. So it says Qt file browser and we have two jar files, and PHP myadmin you can try root tour. So it did not work. Okay, download these jar files. I have already downloaded this one. So these two are the jar files. Okay, let me try to run the strings. So these strings did not reveal any information. We need to run the binwalk on this jar file. So it will extract all the files and you will see the source code of this jar file. So let's go to this folder, ls find dot, and we have a class file. So let me apply the strings on this SQL user pass. So it's trying to authenticate with the SQL username and the password. Localhost is the same computer and the root this one. So we have the credentials. So these may be credentials. Copy exactly and go to this PHP myadmin and paste the credentials here. Click on go. So let's see our WP scan, and so these themes, you can exploit these themes and plugins only when you have the access. Otherwise what you want to do is you need to search for the version number 2016 and you need to see what are the vulnerabilities for there. So okay, for now there is a notch user. Okay, that's good. And you can see WordPress database, and let's see what are the users. So notch, and this is the password. So what you can do is you can edit this password. Click on edit. So user pass, click on drop down and search for MD5 and change the password to notch. So username is notch, password is notch, and click on go. so it will update. Now you can go to Notch and Notch. Click on remember me. Click on login. So okay, you can also enumerate all these databases tables. You will not find any much juicy information. So we have these themes. So let's go to theme editor, and what we can do is click on this 404.php and delete this php system of $_get of cmd and click on update file. So file edited successfully. So we can go to that 10.10.37 and the normal location is wp content. This is the themes, right? Themes 2017 404.php. so it will display nothing because we need to send the command cmd is equals to who am I. So we can see we got the RCA, and you can also put the ID. So let's go for which Python. So there is no Python. Let's go for Python 3, and there is Python 3. Now grab a reverse shell. Okay, I have edited the IP address already, and copy all this and paste here. Now we get the shell. Ctrl Z and STTY, icon and foreground. So we will get some nice shell. There is no any juicy information here, and let's go to wp config. Even though we have the root access to the MySQL, let's see whether we have the credentials of any other user or not. Database name WordPress and username is WordPress and password this one. So if you want to log in with the WordPress user, you can use these credentials. So up to now we have the root user for the phpMyAdmin. Let's go to cd home, cd notch, ls-ltrah. So there is a Minecraft folder. So let's go into that. So whenever when I run this ps aux grep for notch, so there is a jar running in the background. This is the sponge.jar. So you will see when you type the ls. So you can see this is the jar, and this startup script is running this one, cat start.sh. So okay, this is the rabbit hole, and this does not give anything. So I literally stuck here, and Linpiece did not give me anything. When I saw the write-up, it's very funny because where is the password? We got this. So this is the password for the notch user. So I just completely felt like a stupid because we have one credential and I did not think to use it on this notch user. So that's definitely my bad. SSH notch @ localhost yes, and password. So one lesson we learned is whenever you get one password, even that is stating for the root user, you keep it aside and try for login into other users. So the privilege escalation very simple. Sudo l, paste the password, and we can see we can run all the commands as a root user. Sudo bin bash -p. So we are the root user. So this is a very easy box, but the important thing is you need to make sure that you have applied the credentials for all the possible situations.